Here I'm going to show how to join two pieces of crochet work with what I call a flat slip stitch join. It's flat, the stitch is made of slip stitch, and it joins two pieces together. So a flat slip stitch join. I'm midway through, but you'll see how it's done. The working yarn is always at the back of the work. And you pick up the outer loop of one side and the outer loop of the other side. You pick up the working yarn and you pull it through. The outer loop, the outer loop, the working yarn from the back, and you pull it through. I find that the latch hook sometimes is much easier than using a crochet hook, but either will do. So we'll do a couple more. Outer loop, and pull through. Outer loop from the right hand side, outer loop from the left hand side, yarn from the back, and pull through. As you can see, it's a lovely join, flat and very neat. So that's a flat slip stitch join.